I think the concept of a green building is really a way to look at how to live better with the land and with the resources that we have.
Every opportunity to do something new, to do something green, to be a sustainable builder, we took that challenge and we made it an opportunity for A&P, as well as the City of Tempe.
It's just an incredible concept to have a building that is this environmentally advanced at the nexus of the redevelopment of downtown Tempe.
It's going to embody what our program, what our transportation program is trying to show to the community and to the region and to the country.
The exciting thing about this building is that it can show people potential for what can be done. That's its most important gift.
Will there be any kind of a display or information panel to explain what a green building is to the people that use the facility?
Saying how can we really reduce the energy footprint? How can we reduce the water footprint? How can we create a quality environment that employees and staff and visitors will gravitate to? Does everybody know what LEED is, by the way? LEED? LEED is a product of the U.S. Green Building Council. The U.S. Green Building Council is an integrated group of people in the building industry, architects, engineers, manufacturers, contractors, government agencies, interior designers, landscape architects. Everybody's come together and said, what does a green building mean? So we came up with a voluntary compliance program that addressed energy efficiency, water use efficiency, resource efficiency. Like, where are you shipping your materials from? Is marble from Vermont better for the environment than shipping marble from Carrara, Italy?
People at first were a little skeptical.
We have scheduling issues. There's been a lot of interesting ideas thrown up here. Do we have the time to address it?
The great thing about pre-construction is we're able to get on board with the team at the very beginning of the project. We'll start doing cost modeling, constructability reviews. We also look at value engineering throughout the process, through schematic design, design development, and all the way through the GMP. And what it does, it allows us to reduce the overall cost.
Yeah, getting the teams together so they're all working for a LEED project has to be done right up front through pre-construction. And we're able to get a good sub base both through the bidding and forming the subs during the bid phase. So we made sure all the subs that are bidding the project were aware of it, that it was a LEED job, everything we were going after, the point systems and what aspects of the building through the pre-con they knew were very sensitive to make sure we did get the LEED credit for the building.
When the subcontractors understood what the challenges were, they had a chance to offer their suggestions, and we had a lot of them in what we could do to phase this project, and we knew we were going to have quite a few more phases than you normally would see. And they understood that it wasn't a straightforward building that you could start in one corner or on one floor and work your way through it. They all knew what we needed from them, and they all stepped up to the challenge.
We had a lot of collaboration with our architects. They were right on board. And what we found over time is our subcontractors learned the process, and we were able to do some cost avoidance along the way with more people coming on board with LEED. So it's a lot more accessible now than it was 5 years ago.
This project has been quite a series of very unique situations. First of all, we're building this project on an existing archaeological site, which made it necessary to bring a team of archaeologists in.
Some of the artifacts we've been finding on the site out here, they include both ornamental and like food processing type of items. We have shell bracelets that are made from marine shell out of ocean areas that have been most likely traded in. Could be the Gulf of California for some of the stuff that we're getting out of here.
Why sustainability? Because we've discovered it's the best way to do construction. We've discovered that LEED certified buildings are energy efficient and also just the right way to build projects.
One of the big examples for the products was actually for our green roof. Now, it's not a green roof meaning grass. And we truly went with the desert environment. We have desert plants. Once we brought on our subcontractors, showed them products, the building started being built. They can actually go out and see what is happening. They started realizing this is a great project. It's a great product that's being given to us, that was designed and being turned over to us. And I think they're going to use it as a showcase.
One of the surveys we do towards the end of the process is to find out how the inhabitants of the building feel about the building.
We moved into the building at I believe it was right at the end of August, and so we've been in here, well over a month now, and I think it feels great. I mean, it's a very pleasant building to be in. I love the workspace, I love the lighting, just everything about it. It's really a pleasant work environment, and I like coming to work here.